Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to delete bkash account. Firstly, contact bkash customer support by calling their helpline at 16247. You can also visit your nearest bkash center for assistance if you are in a country that bkash supports. Inform the representative that you want to permanently delete your bkash account. You will be asked to verify your identity to ensure the request is legitimate. Just note that before deleting your account, ensure that your bkash wallet balance is zero. If you have any balance, transfer it to another account or cash it out at a bkash agent. Now, after verification and you have emptied your balance, the representative will proceed with the deletion process. You will receive a confirmation once your account has been deleted. Just note that once your account is deleted, you cannot recover it. If you want to use bkash again, you will need to register a new account. Any active transactions or pending services must be completed before requesting deletion. For the most accurate and up-to-date information, refer to bkash website or contact their official support team. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.